actions create legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are an excellent leader. With this beautiful quote, a very warm good morning to one and all present here. Today, we take the opportunity to welcome you all on this special occasion of investiture ceremony of Open Minds Birla School.
This investiture ceremony is a testament to the dedication, leadership, and commitment of these individuals who will be entrusted with the positions of authority within our esteemed organization. Year after year, it reminds us of the trust and the confidence that we respond in through our newly elected cabinets. They all pledge to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities and abide by rules and regulations of the school.
True, Anshika, as it is rightly said, that leaders are not born, they are made. Leaders are the role model who inspire their followers and motivate them to reach their target of success.
Absolutely correct, Riya. This temple of learning has been always inspired by a person filled with knowledge, discipline, and respect. The investiture ceremony is the official celebration of a person's installations to his authority, power, right, and office, and one of the most awaited occasions of our school.
Thus, dear audience, you may eventually discover the beauty of this wonderful day as the event gradually starts to blossom.
Moreover, I also feel honored to welcome dear parents and my fellow students.
Therefore, I, Riya Kumari,
And I, Anshika Tiwari, on behalf of our school principal, Mr. Anshu Avasti, the respected teachers, the staff members, and my fellow teammates,
would like to give a
gracious welcome to you all.
रामोराजमणि सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे रामेणाविहता निशाचरचमो तस्मै नमः रामासिपरायणं वरतरं रामाश्रितासु स्नहम् रामे शीतलस्यदा भवतु मे ॐ रामामुदरा ॐ रामामुदरा.
Thank you, dignitaries. Every day brings a chance for you to draw in a breath, kick off your shoes, and dance.
Dance has been used as a form of worship and celebrations since ancient times. Today's performance is not just about entertainment, it's also an expression of faith and gratitude.
So, without ado, let's invite our talented dancers on the stage to set the stage on fire.
गणपतये नमः वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
तू दुःख हरता भक्तगणांचा दाता तुझ्या भक्तीचा जागर केला दे वरदान तू आता. तू दुःखहर्ता भक्तगणांचा दाता तुझ्या भक्तीचा जागर केला देवरदान तू आता रूप निरखता भान हरपले सुंदर मंगल मूर्ती नसा नसातून उधाणलेली आनंदाची भरती जय घोष चाले तुझा मोरया जय घोष चाले तुझा मोरया घुमतो जल्लोष भाई भिजल्या श्वासात मशाली भरला गुल्लाल कपाळी देवा तोर सार विसरू न जाऊ देहवान हरतो न जाऊ एकच हा जय घोष आता देवा
वन में रण में कण कण में घर में तृण में गज में गण में मोरिया है हर मन में रंग की धारे रंग बुहारे छल 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 के हर जग में तेज है बल है शक्ति प्रबल है मोरिया के दर्शन मेरे बाबा मोरिया के दर्शन मेरे देवा मोरिया के दर्शन में मोरिया के दर्शन में
So let's welcome our leaders for the Leaders March.
Group 1, by the left, march past, begin.
Please have a huge round of applause for our ambassadors. Discipline fosters an optimistic attitude and enhances individual productivity. So, to handle this duty, let's welcome our dignified discipline captain, Mayank Kumar, and our inquisitive vice discipline captain, Ishan Abhishek Jha. Please give a huge round of applause to our discipline captains. Our sports captains are the one who undertake important leadership roles within the student cabinet. It shows their sportsmanship and ability to motivate others. keep applauding to cheer our captains.
Let's offer them a big hand of applause.
Let's keep encouraging them by giving them a hand of applause.
Let's put our hand together for them.
Let's give them a huge round of applause. School magazines provides an excellent platform for the students to showcase their creative genius, and editors form the soul of it. They take care of everything, be it form, the layout, composition, and everything related to the magazine. So let me have the privilege today to call upon the stage the members of the editorial board. Let us welcome Adya Jha, the chief editor from grade 11 Delta. Let's motivate them with a huge round of applause. Now next in line is Aditi Dwivedi and Soumya Narayan, the associate editors from grade 9. Thank you, dignitaries. Congratulations to all the editors. Now we have Dipankar Sudhanshu and Ariona Mishra, the associate editors from grade 8. Keep applauding.
We hope that these badges and this honor will remind you about your duties and responsibilities, and you would endure the same throughout the academic session. Thank you.
Someone said, "Don't walk behind me. I may not lead. Don't walk in front of me. I may not follow. Just walk beside me and be my friend." Distinguished guests, here we have such an inspirational personality who leads not by words but through actions. Allow me to call the visionary leader of all, who traverses all highs and lows of our journey with us, for us, our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Anshu Awasthi.
Good morning, everyone. Well, today we all have gathered here to recognize and empower our young leaders. Congratulations to all the new council members. I expect a big round of applause from audience side. The young leaders, you have achieved it not by mere taking the badges or sash. You have done lots of hard work. Your commitment, your perseverance has made you stand here and made us and your parents proud together. So I'm very happy for you all, and with a belief that in the coming years, your efforts and dedication will be going to work better for open minds. Dear students, leadership is not only about having sachet, badges, or titles. It is something about making some positive changes in the society. You have now onwards a very responsible authority that you have to understand the emotions of your peers, and you have to communicate to us. This is something which will let you feel special, that you have something special with you now that you can contribute to the society. Dear parents, this year's election was not as easy as it was simply what we have planned this year. It has made a process a bit difficult. This time, students have to go through several rounds of screening. They have given their writing parts to us. Then after that, we have gone for the on-camera interviews, followed by several rounds of group discussions and open mic speaking. This has really made them a more confident personality, and that is our belief that once they are going out of the school, they are ready to lead the society, the nation. With this belief, I congratulate you all once again. Thank you. Thank you very much.
An oath is a pole of trust that our candidates are expected to follow. An oath would enrich our respect and expectations into our leaders and take out the optimum versions of them. An oath is not just a bare few lines, but a vital part of a sublime journey.
Now, in order to inculcate a feeling of honesty and loyalty in every newly elected official, we are going to initiate with the oath ceremony. Therefore, I would sincerely like to call our admired principal sir on the dais to administer the oath of office to them.
May we have our newly elected school ambassador Soumya Thakur and with her our school captain Tanmay Raj.
That preserve the honor of Open Minds of Birla School, Kankarpur. I promise to carry out the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me with courage and conviction and to uphold the integrity of our alma mater at all times. I hereby affirm that I will always honor the faith and trust reposed in me and work selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige and glory of our school.
I feel obliged to call the rest of the admirable posts, including all different captains and vice captains.
Score! Finally! March past! Begin!
Put your hands together and give a huge round of applause for them.
Everything that is good is done with a pristine purpose to achieve a worthy objective. So, the election of this council has a sacred end to achieve. To throw some light on the agenda of this very council,
Revered guests, allow me to call upon the stage the newly elected ambassador of the Student Council, a melodious singer and an equally well-visioned leader, Miss Soumya Thakur.
the council is proud to have you in its team.
Put your hands together to welcome her.
Respected dignitaries, esteemed parents, beloved teachers, and cherished friends. When I look back at the journey of my life as a student in this school, the first word that comes to me is gratitude. The reasons are numerous. I'm unable to decide what I should count in and what I should count out. The incredible atmosphere I have enjoyed, the plethora of opportunities I have availed, the affection and care I have received from the extraordinary teachers here, and the unrelenting support the management has been providing me is something that overwhelms me. I first would like to thank my mentors and the management for providing me this tremendous opportunity to give something back to the school in the form of my services as the school ambassador. My thanks also to those brothers and sisters who voted for me in this election and ensured I emerge a winner in this evenly contested election. I believe being at this post, I can effectively use my personality, character, communication skills, and grades to lead the way for the campus groups and assist the staff in events like orientation. It will be a privilege for me to represent my school to prospective students and their families to get involved in a variety of school activities and organizations. I would love to act as a bridge between the school and the prospective students, thus building a connection between the two. Being a school ambassador is a beautiful way to get involved in numerous creative opportunities on campus and develop leadership qualities. Being involved in a student government is a primary yet major lesson in democracy and provides chances to contribute in different clubs and organizations. It is nothing less than extraordinary to help others make an informed decision about their education. I'm well aware of the fact that it requires a lot of hard work and dedication, but I also believe the skills and experiences gained while working as ambassador are invaluable. There are numerous tasks awaiting, from promoting SOF exams among students, amiably settling the disciplinary issues among them, conveying their problems and concerns to the management, to cultivating a nursery of leaders from among them, and constructively supporting in successful organization of events and functions will demand my attention. I will ensure that I strike a fine balance between my professional commitments and my academic requirements. I'm sure with the priceless support from my brothers and sisters here, as well as from the management, I would be able to achieve this with immaculate precision. I promise that as a school ambassador, I will help build a stronger community within the student body. I will try my best to build a sense of pride and loyalty in the institution and will work to bring increased engagement from all parties. At last, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to everybody who has contributed to success in this endeavor of mine and would like to assure them I will do my best to stand up to their expectations. Thank you.
After every day comes the night. Everything, no matter how good it is, comes to an end. But all is well that ends well. And hence, a better ending provides any event the best meaning.
So, our programs too is slowly drifting towards a golden end. And to give it a promising finish, please allow me to invite our Honorable Vice Principal Ma'am to present the vote of thanks.
Let us have a big round of applause for her.
In the night of doubt and fear, a guiding star shines ever clear, not to overpower, but to lead, with wisdom's light and selfless deed. Their strength lies not in voice so loud, but in the quiet amidst the crowd. With grace they guide, with vision far, a true leader, our guiding star. For them, it's not about the fame, but lighting others' path, their aim. They rise by lifting all inside, a beacon in the darkest night. With this beautiful poem, I wish you all a very warm and pleasant morning. I, Anshu Rani, on behalf of Open Minds of Birla School, Kankarbaug, stand before you to present the vote of thanks. I would like to assert my sincerest gratitude to our honorable directors, Mr. Rajesh Singh and Mr. Reinhold Michele, our dedicated school managers, Mrs. Neeta Singh and Mr. Ashwin Raj Singh. Your visionary leadership has guided us towards the excellence. I extend a heartfelt thanks to our principal, Mr. Anshu Awasthi, whose wise counsel and encouragement have inspired us to reach new heights. My warmest gratitude to the principal, Mrs. Resma Singh, and vice principal, Mr. Devratan Sir of Edulitics International, a British school. Thank you for your gracious presence. I take immense pleasure in thanking our headmistress, Mrs. Rinku Banerjee, Coordinators, Mr. Somesh Kashyap, Mr. Rishabh Brisi, Mr. Kanhaiya, Miss Sonam, and Miss Pragya, along with the activity in charge, Mrs. Rachna Shringi. Your meticulous planning and execution have ensured seamless operations. To our ELA team members, Mr. Rajiv Nayan and Mr. Rakesh Singh, Sanskrit Department, led by Mr. Somesh Kashyap and Mr. Ganesh, dance team, led by Mr. Veer and Miss Anita, art and craft team, led by Miss Tulsi and Miss Honey, HNP team, led by Miss Shefali. Your passion and creativity has really enriched this program. My special thanks to all the activity team members for their dedication and hard work. To our printing department, led by Mr. Pankaj, and the examination department, led by Dr. Rajneesh Srivastava, your behind the scenes work has helped us rise and shine. I immensely extend our sincere thanks to Saurav sir, Chandan sir, and Meera ma'am. You have been rock solid pillars throughout managing the resources to make the things possible. A special acknowledgement to our dedicated faculty and staff members for always guiding and standing by the students. To the elected student council members and the editorial board members, you all have showcased the incredible potential. Congratulations to you all. Keep rising and shining. I thank all the participants for making this program a beautiful one. Our heartfelt thanks to the parents and families. Your presence has really made this program a wonderful one. I also extend my sincerest gratitude to the transport team led by Mr. Amar Khan, maintenance head Pandey the security personnel Mr. Neeraj, our electrician Sanjay ji for rendering the maximum support for this event. A special appreciation for our housekeeping staff members who worked tirelessly to make this program a successful one. Thank you all for your contributions, big and small, visible and invisible. We are grateful for your commitment, expertise, and kindness. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Almighty for helping us at each and every step and guiding us towards this success. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you everyone for joining us today in the investiture ceremony. We had a wonderful time together, and as we come to the end of the program, it is important to end on a note of unity and pride. Before we conclude, I would like to request everyone to please join us in our national anthem, a powerful reminder of our shared values and freedom.
शुभ